This opportunity for Meridian College at Ullal, Mangalore. The introduction of two major new courses as an area of opportunity for students to have additional qualification and a new qualification called a degree in BSc Interior Design. Interior design is a course which is being now leading to a degree from Mangalore University and is being conducted by Meridian College, which is at Ullal, Mangalore. With me is Senior Architect and Principal Architect Prachi Kulkarni. She is also owner of Arya, architects and interior designers based at Bangalore. Madam Prachi is going to handle the faculty of interior design for Meridian College with this current session year starting from July 2016. She will just put in a word of thought as her approach towards this interior design course is going to add the syllabus of Mangalore University and an applied science or the way of application of interior design, which will include induction, training while they are studying in the college, and while the degree is being handed over, they will be job specific and job skilled. Madam Prachi.
We can say
Yes.
of a practical thinking with the syllabus what we have already
From Mangalore University.
for Mangalore University. So it's very essential to add that new dimension of the practical knowledge, hands-on experiences, and we are trying to focus on that this time.
That should be good.
That should be good.
That should be an opportunity for a qualified student which will add to his biodata,
Yeah, exactly.
to his CV,
That will be very
and
helpful.
a large demand is opening up. With the government's policy on smart cities, the demand for interior designers is going to come up in the next 2 years. Now, this is a 3-year degree course, and we request all parents, especially parents of female students, to take interior design as a profession, wherein there will be a good career opportunity and a job satisfaction. Future interior design is going to open up a lot of vistas. Once they are experienced, they also can convert themselves as interior design consultants, and then they just can keep growing in their frame choice of career. Apart from the BSc Interior Design course, Meridian College has an opportunity and being awarded by the Ministry of Higher Education through the Mangalore University a course along with the current BCom degree, BCA degree, and the current MBA degree in International Business Management. They can add aviation management and hospitality management. Again, aviation and hospitality is creating a lot of job opportunities, and parents, you should seriously note and take advice from the college management and from professional consultants for taking aviation management as a choice of career. Hospitality management is already there. There are very good international placement opportunities also, and with the Indian aviation industry growing leaps and bounds, you will have many airlines adding around 200 plus aircrafts, and with the government's policy very congenial for investors, even for foreign investors as FDI. A lot of development of new airports are coming at regional sectors. Hence, a lot of good professional career trained staff is required. So we once again jointly request parents to think of interior design as a degree course, and Meridian College is being corresponding with professional architecture company Arya. The principal architect Prachi Kulkarni has defined her career, her business path to contribute time into education also. Hence, there will be an opportunity to get on-site training, on-site internship, so that the candidate, while he completes his BSc degree, he can straight away, with full confidence, take up and will be a preferred candidate wherever there is a job opportunity. So, Meridian College, and Dr. Joby is here with me, and he will also come and contribute towards the admission requirements. The admissions are open till July the 15th, 2016. All parents and students, both male and female students, are requested that they should call up Meridian College, which is at Ullal, Mangalore.
Yes. Myself Prachi. I'm an architect, principal architect for ARIA, Architects and Interior Designers. It's a firm in Bangalore, Dubai, and Delhi. We have branches there. So yeah, we are here. And Mr. Gio, sir.
My name is Gio Isaac. I am from a company which is called Bravo Group. We are based in India and at UAE, and we are pioneers into aviation management and interior design and decor, build and execution. We take this opportunity to be at Mangalore, where we are getting affiliated with Meridian College, which is at Ullal, Mangalore. Meridian College has been awarded by Mangalore University and Ministry of Higher Education in Karnataka to start a degree related course in BSc with interior design as a major faculty. Madam Prachi Kulkarni, who is the principal and senior architect, has kindly consented to spare her time into supporting the young students who want to make interior design as a professional career. Interior design is growing in the Indian scenario and in the international scenario. With the government's major budgets getting into smart cities, a lot of good professional candidates are required in the next 2 to 3 years. Hence, a candidate, by the time he is job ready from his current curriculum of studies, both theoretically, and we are planning to provide induction training to reach them into professional, skilled, practically trained students, wherein if they are able to face an interview, their CV shows that they are already trained and qualified with the curriculum of Mangalore University, which is now available for admission at Meridian College, Mangalore.
With Meridian College.
Our initial collaboration and a long-term collaboration, both are into 2 areas. One is the interior design faculty, which will be headed by architect Prachi Kulkarni, and second is the aviation management course. This course is an addition to the students who are undergoing BCom degree, BCA degree and MBA in international management degree. This is a certificate course which is being issued by Mangalore University. It is not issued by any private company, neither by Meridian College. Meridian College will be providing all the necessity, faculty, training, which will lead them to be professional in their chosen career.
Thank you. Thank you. One more last question. Aviation, how will you support Meridian College in aviation management and interior design?
Our support is going to be a long term.
Long term, definitely long
It is not that we are commercially getting associated. It is for the good of the students, where we share our experiences.
Yeah, the experience is a key. When it's a team of experienced people, they come and educate your kids along with the syllabus. Students will have the definite syllabus, and we will add a few things which are not in the syllabus as well. And placement. Placement is a main key thing where we can actually help them.
Yes, we will also provide opportunity for placement in Indian scenario and in the international scenario, especially based in Middle East, in Oman, in UAE, and other growing and developing demand that is going to happen in the hospitality, aviation, and interior design industry. Uh, Students have to just put in their best and practice themselves with the available opportunity of theory and practicals. And we as professional architects and interior designers will provide them total internship to train them, to lead them to know what they have learnt and how it is built. The build part of it will give them a practical experience of what they design. So overall, it is to the benefit of the student, and any organization, any company, whether in India or international, when they interview them, the candidate will be full of confidence, and it will be an opportunity for him to get placed, to get selected. And we are also tying up with professional airlines, with the existing professional architecture and interior design companies, wherein they will get an exposure for training and job placement also. Again, we are repeating both in India and in the international market. Thank you, and there is an opportunity for admissions now. The admissions is open in both the faculty of BSc Interior Design, Aviation Management and Hospitality Management till July the 15th, 2016. All parents and students who are eager to look at this career, to study in a professional career of interior design, aviation management, are welcome to contact Meridian College, which is at Ullal, Mangalore.